I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today, we will learn sentiment analysis, a simple mood detector for text. Sentiment analysis is a way for computers to read a sentence and decide if the writer is happy, sad, or neutral. It works by turning words into numbers. Here is a simple scorecard. Positive words get +1, negative words get -1, and neutral words get 0. The total sentiment score, S, is the sum of all word scores. Now, let's work through an example. Here is the review sentence. Step 1. Break the sentence into words. Step 2. Assign scores to each word. I'll list each word with its score. Step 3. Add up the scores. We have one positive word and one negative word, so they cancel. Here is the decision rule. If S is greater than 0, the sentiment is positive. If S is less than 0, the sentiment is negative. If S equals 0, the sentiment is neutral. Our score is 0, so the review is neutral.